Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream of coffee, updated. Start by chilling your bowl in beaters, then whip 1 cup heavy cream with 1 tsp sugar and 1 tsp vanilla until soft peaks form. Brew 2 shots of espresso or 1/2 cup strong coffee and let it cool slightly. Gently fold or layer the whipped cream over the coffee for a creamy, fluffy drink you can sip or spoon, with easy variations to try at home. You only need simple tools and easy ingredients to make this treat at home. A cold metal bowl and beaters help the cream reach soft peaks faster, and a gentle hand yields the best texture. I recommend 1 cup heavy cream, 1 tsp sugar, and 1 tsp vanilla, paired with 2 shots of espresso or 1/2 cup strong coffee. Small adjustments let you control sweetness and start by chilling your bowl and beaters for 10 minutes, then whip the cream to soft peaks so it stays airy but smooth. Let the brewed coffee cool to a warm temperature so it won't melt the cream instantly. Layer the whipped cream on top for a pretty presentation, or gently fold it in if you want an immediately drinkable, silky beverage with balanced coffee flavor and sweet creaminess.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.